Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And I saw a lot of requests on the TLM USDT price prediction in my DM, so I thought why not today I would predict the TLM price. So today's video is about the TLM price prediction. TLM coin, you'd see the TLM token, Alien Worlds token. A few days ago I predicted the price of the TLM. Now the reason I'm using the MXC exchange is that due to the reason that TLM was first listed on MXC exchange, so that's why we have some old data here as well. You see the coin was listed on the 7th of April, okay, and if you go to the trading view, we would only have the Binance listing, which was on the 13th of April. So that's why I'm using this this chart of MXC exchange, and I have also already draw the resistance support zones, the resistance supply and demand zones, Fibonacci levels, so that the video should not get too big, too large. So here is the current scenario. I am predicting this one on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart, and I have drawn these. This one is the daily zones, white one. Okay, white one are the daily zones, and the yellow lines, the dotted lines, are the 4-hour zones. Got it? And these lines, the colorful lines, are the Fibonacci levels. Okay, got it? And these rectangular zones, these are distribution and accumulation zone. You can call these zones as the what is called accumulation zone, consolidation zone, ranging market, whatever you can call. After these boxes, you can see rectangular boxes, you see sudden price movements here. After this rectangular consolidation, the price does, price did a sudden move, volatile move here. It again stayed in this period, then again the price went down, remained in the consolidation phase during this period, then again price went up, broke through. So this is basically the symbols. So let's start the technical analysis of the TLM coin. So here we have, so what is the right scenario we have got? I have drawn some zones, let me show you here. Okay, if we go to the right side, here we see the price accumulates at, see here, the price accumulated at 0.41 dollars. Okay, and the price, let me show you, the price was accumulating between these two zones, 0.5, 0.4, and in between them this was, you see here, 0.38. You can say that 38%. This is very famous number in the Fibonacci level. You see here, if we closely observe the candles, you see candles were consistently trying to test this level of 0.38 and was rejected multiple times. You see here, price went up, got rejected from the resistance, okay, went down, again rejected from this base, then again tested, was rejected. Previously this was the resistance zone. After this big candle, let me show you, after this big candle, this became the support. Okay, you see the wicks downward, you see the downward rejections. It confirms that this zone became the support zone. So we can say that 0.4115 is a strong support because of lot of rejections from this area, and people don't want to sell off below this point. So this became the strong, see, this became the strong zone. Now you see, after well, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 to 14 candles that remained in this zone with the good volume, it broke through, it break out. And once it break out, the price here at this candle tested this level, this white one, which was 0.51. Okay, 0.5. So it means it wicked above this level. It means we were in the new high, created a new swing high. Again, price tested this level, which was 0.5. You see a perfect Fibonacci level, which is in, in correlation with the 4-hour zone. Here I draw this 4-hour zone due to, let me show you this one here. You see this candle was perfectly aligned with the Fibonacci level. This candle, this was a doji candle. A downtrend was, it was the reversal from here. See here, after that huge candle upward. So these two levels became the perfect for the 4 hours. So here you see, if we go to here, let me just move on the chart above. Okay, here you see when the price tested this level, it was first rejected. Okay, the price came back, and you see, just observe here, this was previously spot. Okay, when the spot was broken, and this was Fibonacci level, this one, this line, when these candles wicked above this become, this Fibonacci level became the support zone. Here you see, just look at here, 1 week, okay, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, and both of them rejected, both of them was rejected from this level, making it a support zone. Now what is this support zone? This was 0.5. Okay, now let's move on. After that, if we move on, the price broke through this 4-hour zone as well as this 0.5 Fibonacci level, which was in correlation with the 4-hour zone. Okay, now let's see here. So the next zone was 0.5, 0.54. Okay, so this zone was broken here at this level. You see here, let me show you, this zone was broken. Once it broken, this huge candle tested and get rejected from this level, and this became the support, the next support. You see how the price is moving in waves. You see how it is making a new swing high, then a pullback, new swing high, and a pullback here. So here the price went up, got rejected from this level, which was 0.4538, and then what happened after that? A good volume up, and we broke through this level of 0.618, which was a Fibonacci level. It was totally broke out, you see here, and the price went up here and was closed here, making this was a, yeah, this was a 4-hour zone as well. You see how when the price, when this candle, green candle, wicked above this, it went down, closed here, you see here at this point. And the next candle, this candle got rejected from this area, making it a strong support. Price went up, making a new swing high at this Fibonacci level of 1. Okay, so you see here, after that, making after a new swing high, the price went down, tested this level. Okay, this was another zone, 4-hour zone. Then again price came back and got rejected from this area, which was 0.6. So now if we look at the price, you see two times this level, let me close in a bit, see two times, first rejection from this level, second rejection from this level, two times this level has been tested, which is approximately in between. Let me check what is the price. Let me check this one, 0.87, 0.87. Okay, the price is testing and got rejected twice. You see here the price, first time it got rejected, second time it got rejected, First time it got rejected, then a pullback to this level which was 0.6. Okay, after that another try to break through this level, but another pullback down there. So what I am assuming right now is, let's take a look at this candle. What I am expecting is we might see a retracement. We might see a, although you see this candle has been rejected from this level, this candle also reject, this candle is also rejected, but here is the thing, let me show you. Here is the thing, you see this huge candlestick, you see this huge candlestick, it was like a engulfing a sell off candle, or a engulfing sell candle. You see the candle started opened here and it closed here. Okay, and the next candle, see it started, it opened from here, went up to the previous swing high of this candle, and got rejected and went back again down and got again rejected from this level. But the thing is, whenever you see a new candle like this one after a huge candle, there is a possibility of downtrend. Might be, if the volume is a large volume of sell off, then we can see a pullback to this level. But if there is not much volume, then we see some strong movement upwards. Okay, here you see the sellers and buyers because of the wick. You see the body percentage, you see the body, you see this is the body, and the wick upside and the wick downside, both wicks on the upside and the downside are equal. Okay, so it means the buyers and the sellers are trying to, you know, push the price upward, sellers are trying to push the price down. So in case the price gets down, we might see this level, which would be 0.61. So if you want to buy, then I would suggest you to wait for 0.66 level. The reason is, you see, let me show you here, the alien world TLM USDT pair. You see the the forming is going to end on the 5th of May, which is approximately 3 days ago, and lot of USDTs, BUSDTs have been staked. So what I expect is that on the day of when the day of forming ends, a lot of people are going to be rewarded with TLM, and they are going to sell the TLM tokens. So due to that reason, I would suggest you guys to wait for today's 4th. So might be, yeah, just wait for few days. You see, wait for few days, like for the today is, you see, 3 May, 3rd of May 2021. So wait for 2 to 3 days, and then we can see good volume upward, because I you know, I suggest you guys to wait for 3 days. On the day of when the forming ends, there going to be a large sell off, and if the large sell off going to happen, then I think the price is going to retrace back to this level. Okay, this level. And if in worst case, the price could also go down to this one, 0.617. You see how it is related to this 0.618, 0.618. How close is that? You see how close is that? So if now we'll take a look at the volume. If we look at the volume right now, let us take the volume here. You see, this is a good indication here. If we look at the OBV, this is the on balance. If we have a look at here, you see here, let me show you guys, what does it mean on balance volume? It means that this large volume on the upside was spotted by the people, by the buyers. You know, they put in they put in a lot of money. A lot of money was involved in pushing the price up, and the downward movement was not much. Here you see, let me show you this one. this downward movement, you see the downward movement was not supported. If the volume could have gone above like this, and then we could see a downtrend like this one, but this was not supported. And the next thing is, you see here, if we look at this peak and if we look at this peak, it means that a lot of volume was put in, a lot of volume flowed at these two candles. So I'm expecting a good healthy uptrend is going to start here. If we go back to here, you see a large sell off here, big sell off here. Okay, so let me show you with the volume as well. This was the on balance volume, and if we look at this volume, you see here, you see the volume here down. If we look at the volume here, let me show you this, these two bars. Okay, these two bars indicated a lot of buyers volume. Okay, and the sell off volume was very low. You see the sell off volume here, the sell off volume was very low. The price didn't go that much here. The price just retested. It was a healthy pullback, you can call it a healthy pullback. Then again the next two candles, the volume was, the volume was better than this one here. This was a good volume and the price went up trying to break through this level. And again after that the volume almost was identical to the two candles prior to this big candle, and the price went down again, was supported at this level. If the next candle here, if we see a big red bar on the upside, and if it crosses this green bar, then the price might going to see a downtrend towards this, might be a pullback here 0.61, and this one might be on cards as well. So just prepare for it. Always take an eye or have an eye on this volume bar here down. So right now the volume is not much, which means that the downward trend is not supported for now. Downward trend is not supported for now, and this is a good indication of the strong upward trend. And if, let me turn on the, where is the, yeah, EMAs. Let me show you the, with the help of EMAs, so that you can have an idea. I'm gonna turn off the Fibonacci level for now. You see, let me just give you another bonus tip as well. Let me show you guys, where is my pen. Okay, let's draw this. Okay, what I'm expecting right now is, you see all EMAs are down the price and candles are above these EMAs. Okay, it means the price is in the uptrend, and this yellow line is a 13 EMA, which is a fast EMA, which means the price is testing and getting rejected from this level here. It means a strong uptrend. It denotes a strong uptrend. So here, what I am expecting, you see, it has been, might a price might go down to this, and this one is also 21 EMA, and we might see a pullback here, and this EMA can also be tested if and only if the volume down there is going to, if it would increase, then the price is gonna pull back to this level. Okay, just prepare for it. Now if the price is in the uptrend mode or the volume is good, then what I see is we might see a good volume, and we can break through this level, and we're gonna touch this level 1.60. if I call out this one, where is the call out? Okay, price label, this one, you see, let me just make it bigger so that you can have a good idea. I'm making it white. You see, what I'm expecting is that the next target would be 1.06 in the coming days if the volume is good enough. See, if the volume is good enough, we might see that TLM is going to hit 1.06 soon. and then after that we might see a retracement back to this level with the pullback to previous swing high. Okay, and that would be this one, 0.8774. Okay, and if there is a strong sell off volume, then the price is going to retest what I think to this level, which would be this one, 0.61. Also this one as well, this zone can also be tested, 0.66. So if you want to buy in case the volume large sell of volume, then you need to put buy order at this place, 0.61, in between these ranges, and then you can go long, and the next target would be 1.63. So guys, I think the video is getting long. That's all from my side, guys. I have tried to explain whatever I can share with you guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Take care. Bye bye.